Hi, my name is Francois Anlo, and I comment on business and finance affairs and news. Um, I want to talk about the young people this time when that's about to start buying their first stocks on the stock market. And I remember when I started out on the stock market in 1986, I was about 17 years old. My father still had to co-sign for me and was still with the brokerage. We had to make phone calls and phone in the orders to the trading floor. Since then, it's become a lot easier to trade. But the problem also, or I can still remember that I had initially was which stocks to buy. I was presented with over 400 or 1,000 different companies to invest in, and I just didn't have the financial economic knowledge to do analysis and know where to start. So what I did was I looked at the products around my parents' house, what they used, what they believed in, the type of car my dad drove, the type of car my rich neighbor drove, the type of um, transport they used on airplanes, which are airplane which airways they used when they went on holiday or business trips. I asked them about which also products they used in the kitchen, in the living room, what type of furniture they had, where they bought it, what make it was, and that gave me a good idea of what good quality products my parents and my rich neighbors believed in and invested in. And then I did some research and I invested in three or four good quality companies that produce these goods in the market. And that was how I got started. And unfortunately, I went through the 87 crash, but a year later, I didn't sell my stock. And a year later, I was actually trading back at a profit again. And yes, I could have been very rich by now, but I ended up selling my stock eventually to go study accounting and pay for my student fees. And ever since then, I've been in and out of the market, not really being consistent in the market. And so, how I got started, that's the story. I hope it helps a bit. If you're confused about what to invest in, look around at what products and services people use, what they believe in, what is good quality products and services, and then the companies that produce them, invest in those companies. I hope this step helps.